What is up, everybody? Baxter over here at carwashcountry.com. Today, I wanted to talk about detailing water tanks. If you're a beginner, if you just have a few questions, you're looking at getting everything set up, wanted to give you guys a couple of tips. Really, the first thing I would say is just make sure you pick a size tank that you feel comfortable with based on the size of your business. A lot of guys will start out with 50-gallon tanks and then move up to a larger tank later on as they grow their business. I think 100-gallon tanks are a pretty good place to start if you already have a few clients. If you have a medium-sized business, those are probably okay. You can buy these online. You can buy these actually farming supply stores. There's one where I live in North Carolina called Agri Supply. They basically carry any plastic water tank you can really think of, but a lot of these might be a little difficult to actually strap down, so I would probably look for a square water tank. You can find these on Amazon. I actually wrote a blog post on really how to set one up that you guys can check out. I will link up to in the description of this video, so check that out. You're going to want to pick up a couple of ratchet straps just to tie it down to your skid unit. With the ratchet straps, you want to make sure you anchor it with some like commercial anchors. You can buy 4 of those and then just tie your straps to those anchors, and you should be good to go. You just don't want your tank moving around when you're driving. If you do go with a larger, like 500-gallon or 250-gallon tank, which I really wouldn't recommend for most people, they can cause some trailer sway. So if you've got a pretty lightweight trailer, it can be pretty dangerous driving with a full tank of water. So you might want to fill those halfway, really see what works for you. But the last thing I'll say about water tanks, this is really just one of those last minute things. You might want to spray paint your tank from the outside, as crazy as that sounds. Some guys have complained about sunlight penetrating a opaque or like a white water tank, causing algae to grow. They do make like blue tanks as well. Whatever will prevent sunlight from entering, I think would be beneficial. So you might want to just grab a can of spray paint and just clean your tank from time to time with bleach and water diluted, just to prevent that kind of thing from happening. If you have hard water where you live, you might want to look into a water deionizer, and that's going to remove all those hard minerals and the things that really cause the water spots. So you might want to check that out as well. I've got a bunch of other resources for setting up a tank I'll drop in the description. But let me know if you guys have a water tank setup that you like. Feel free to leave a comment on this video, and head over to carwashcountry.com for any other detailing tips, tricks. We've got some ebooks coming out, business card templates, t-shirts, really anything you need there. So until next time, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later. Thanks.